Today's podcast dives into the future of higher education and how EON Reality is transforming learning with its Spatial AI University. This groundbreaking platform uses AI-powered XR technology to make learning faster, more engaging, and relevant to the AI-driven economy. The Spatial AI University isn't just a digital upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of education, and it's set to revolutionize higher learning.
Exactly. Traditional education has been slow to adapt, leaving students underprepared for an economy that demands AI collaboration and technological literacy. With EON Reality's Spatial AI University, students no longer just read about complex topics, they interact with them in real time, whether it's scientific simulations, business strategy, or healthcare procedures. The learning environment is immersive and fully AI-powered.
What's really revolutionary is the speed at which students can learn. The Learn, Train, Perform methodology makes it possible for students to acquire knowledge up to 4x faster thanks to interactive 3D simulations and real-time guidance. And it's not just about learning, it's about performing in real-world scenarios. Students get to practice in a safe, immersive environment before applying their skills in actual situations.
Exactly. The Spatial AI platform allows for adaptive learning pathways, where students receive personalized guidance based on their progress. Whether they're learning technical skills for fields like medicine, engineering, or business, or gaining AI collaboration capabilities, the platform ensures that the learning experience is tailored to their individual needs.
And with EON Reality's technology, the training is always up to date. Text-to-XR technology means that training modules can be instantly converted from traditional educational materials into interactive 3D simulations in seconds, ensuring that students are learning with the most relevant content available.
This is truly the future of education, where students are immersed in interactive learning environments, gaining hands-on experience and preparing for AI-driven careers that require not only technical knowledge, but also the ability to collaborate effectively with AI.
Thank you for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.